friends, and welcome back to another exciting nail art tutorial. In this episode, we are going to learn how to make one of our most favorite superhero, the Batman. Let's start with the thumb. Use black color to make the face mask with a thin brush. And white color to make the eyes. Now, use yellow nail color on the index finger and ring finger, and glitter nail paint on the middle and the little finger. Next, we'll draw the face with black color using the thin brush. Give the face details like eyes using white and red colors. On the middle finger, use black to make the Batman logo. Outline it with yellow. On the ring finger, make black lines for buildings and white moon. And there, you have the Gotham city on your finger. Use white, black and glitter nail colors for detailing. Finally, on your little finger, use black to make wings. Give your nails a top glossy coat. And ta-da! Don't forget to show off your amazing Batman nail art to all your friends. Have fun with your Powerpuff Girls!